you ready to go?
The 36th District Court for the City of Detroit is now in session with Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, make sure all cell phones are on mute until your case is called. No talking, no eating, no drinking, smoking, or driving while court is in session. Thank you and good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. And good morning to everyone. What I'm going to try to do is get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I think I have everybody named. Officer Ball, good morning to you. And good morning to everyone. Ms. Williams, are we ready?
Ready.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Gaffney Jr. Case number SP 15490-851. Mr. Gaffney, can you state your name for the record, please? Mr. Gaffney. Did we lose him? Or is he muted? He's muted. Mr. Gaffney, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Issue. Mr. Gaffney, is it on my end?
Yes. Yes, I can hear you. I'm sorry.
Very good. You indicated to the court off the record that you have an issue with Detroit Works. How long do you figure this is going to take to resolve itself?
I actually just got off the phone with her. She said that all of my tickets have been paid with Wake County. He said her supervisor walked in and relieved the tickets with the check.
You indicated that your tickets have been paid?
Mm-hmm. I just got off the phone with her.
All right, tell her this one for 240 has not been paid yet.
The one for 240?
Yep, improper plates. You get it paid. I'll dismiss the ticket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set another review date. I'm going to give you another 30 days to make sure that that's taken care of, right?
Okay.
Come back September 23rd, 2024 at 8:25. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day, sir.
All right. Appreciate
you. All right. Let's get Mr. Aaron Little. I think he's here. Mr. Aaron Little, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, y'all.
This is the City of Detroit versus Aaron James Arias Little. Case number, strike that. It's the State of Michigan versus Aaron James Jerome Arias Little. Case number SX 4367031. State your name for the record, Mr. Little.
Aaron Little.
Can you turn that system? Today is a date and time set for reviewing the matter. Mr. Little, I see you paid the 240. What I'm going to do is $65. I'm going to make sure I'm going to waive that. I'm going to waive that $65 and I'm going to dismiss the case, okay?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
All right, you too.
Last, there's the Antonio George. I believe he showed up as well. You there, Mr. George? Maybe not. Is Shay?
No, he talking to somebody else.
Am I pronouncing Cachet right? Can you unmute yourself?
You're not, they unmute you.
Cache.
They need to see you.
Cachet, I'm sorry. Good to see you, ma'am. Can I get your full name, please?
Cache Leverson.
Levers.
What? Okay. Which one?
Excuse me, sir, you have to be quiet, please. Mute your device. This is the city of Detroit versus Cachet Leverson. Case numbers SP 157730001 and SP 1577263, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, behalf of the defendant.
Ms. Leverson, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Cache Leverson.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the matter. The offer from the city to resolve the matters, Ms. Leverson, is pleading to a 6-month delay on the open alcohol and motor vehicle driver.
Yeah, I cannot hear.
Oh, sorry. Pleading to as charged to the open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver and dismissing the other 2 cases. That would be a 6-month delay. So that means if you don't get in any trouble in the 6 months, then they'll dismiss it off your record. However, the points will still be on your record. That won't negate the points. It's a 2-point offense. It's an alcohol-related offense on your record, and it'll be a $240 fine. Keep in mind, Ms. Leverson, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the lawyer, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right, let's pass that matter. Oscar Delano. Set the formal hearing. We've already discussed that, right, Mr. Gloucester? As if the officer shows, and is Officer Gloucester here? We're looking for Officer Edwards, Officer Hinkle. Officer Edwards and Officer Hinkle, so you can, they don't show by 9:30, we'll get you out of here, so. That gentleman, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. Is that Mays Cho? I ask you to unmute yourself. Good morning to you, sir. What's your name, please? Mays Cho?
Otis Gore?
Otis Gore?
Yes.
Oh, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
City of Detroit versus Otis Orlando Gore, case number 1539288, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1, strike that, SP 8056101, V105866617, V105866717, V105868817. Appearance for the record, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Gorray, Your Honor. P 81003.
This is about the third Gorray I've had this week. I don't know, maybe you got cousins around the city, I'm sure you do.
Yes.
I enter not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. And Mr. Gorray, the city is willing to offer you a resolution. And that would be, well, typically there's no offer on these dog cases. So it's no offer on the dog cases for improper plates for the unregistered untitled. That's a $240 fine. That does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore doesn't carry any points, and I'll dismiss upon payment. Amended count of failure to display for the improper license, that's a $240 fine. That will abstract, but it won't carry any points. And then the dog cases are no offer, so it should be $240 fines a piece on those if you plead guilty. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson, have a conversation with her. You have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Yes.
Join the room, please.
Leaving? No, I'm not leaving. Hello? Hello?
Good morning to you.
I was supposed to be going to the lawyer's room, but it sent me back here.
It bounced you back out? All right.
Yes.
Try to join again.
Join.
Is that Milton Hakeem Owens?
Yes.
Morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
You weren't on the you weren't on that TCLT. He still has. Mr. Aubrey. Am I getting the pronunciation correct?
Yes, it's Uber.
Uber, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. You have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, sir.
You wanna let's see what you have. I'm satisfied with that. You want to pay this $65 on this seatbelt ticket, or do you want to contest it?
No, I'll pay it.
Mr. Roki, right quick. This is the city of Detroit versus James Horatio Oubre, case number SP 1587504, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Roki, appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Oubre.
Mr. Oubre, state your name for the record, please.
Aubrey.
Oubre. Day is date time set for pre-trial. I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor on insurance for no valid insurance. strike that for providing valid documentation. And I'm going to stipulate you stipulate on behalf of your client, he said he'll pay this $65 for the seatbelt. Stipulate on behalf of your client to that faces the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counselor.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Stipulate the proper cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, 65, Mr. Oubre, when can you pay it?
Today? Yeah, I can pay it today. Yes.
All right, make sure it's in by tomorrow. I'm gonna give you till tomorrow to make sure it's in. That's the 23rd. Pay it at any dead bag kiosk in the city of Detroit, Mr. Oubre, or pay it, come on down to the court. I'm told you can upload that, did that out to your phone. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. It's gonna go through instantly. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Leverson. Ms. Leverson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Is this for Wilkerson, Your Honor? I'm sorry, I just came out of the breakup.
Leverson.
Okay.
Ms. Searle.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Leverson. At this time, she's going to request a bench trial date. Cachet.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Leverson? Do we still have her?
Yeah, she's on the screen, but I'm going to ask her to unmute. I don't think.
All right, what's going on, Ms. Leverson?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can hear you now. Is that what you want to do? You want a trial date now?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to set a trial date for November the 8th, 2024 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Ms. Leverson, best of luck to you. We'll see you back November the 8th at 9 a.m., okay?
November 8th?
November 8th.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You have a better one, thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Soroki versus Milton Hakeem Owens. Case number SP 108-5741. SP 11229741. SP 154-88721. SP 159-67102, SP 159-67111, and U 38592117. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Owens.
Mr. Owens, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Milton Owens, good morning, sir.
All right, he's got a lot more than meets the eye. He's only one case on the docket, and he's got those other cases, as you can see. I've counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases into the record. I'll give you an update on the cases. The other cases, one case is in warrant status. I mean, strike that. The one case that's on the docket is a show cause, and the other cases are in warrant status as for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Wait the form of reading the information, Your Honor. Stand mute to the charges and ask the outstanding warrants be set aside.
We'll set aside the warrants. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. So if you take a list down, Ms. Soroki, get the allegations that are alleged Mr. Milton Owens has done.
I'm ready, Your Honor.
All right, that would be a license. Somebody's got some background noise going on. All right, that would be a license improper, a driver's license never acquired, a reckless driving. He had a 16 to 20 over. That's SP 159-67101. I would have no issue with setting that default aside if the city has no objection to that. and allowing him to be heard on that. He has a no insurance proof that went along with that as well, and that is in default. However, there's no reinstatement fee attached to that. And then he has the pending case that's on the docket, a license, license suspended, drove our license suspended. And then he has a U ticket in the park after hours. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it would be 7 if the city has no objection to set the default aside. Mr. Milton Owens, what we're going to do is you have an absolute right to a trial. I want you to keep that in mind. I'm going to allow Ms. Soroki to get you an updated offer, and then I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You wait on her to speak to her, and then you let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right?
Okay.
Your Honor, can I just ask the date of that reckless driving?
You can. Date of the reckless driving. 2/8/2024.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's pass the matter.
Ms.
Let's
Mason,
go
are you
back.
available?
And we have Mr. Bowman as well. So I'm gonna put either one of them in the breakout room. Go to 4, please. All right, I'm gonna pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Gorey or Gorey. Yeah, unmute yourself, sir. I was hearing some background noise. I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gorey would like to have these matters set for pretrial. He did go get his temporary permit, and the car is titled. However, he needs a little bit more time to get the insurance on the vehicle. So, Your Honor, he's just asking for a pretrial date to come into compliance.
All right, so let's do this because these dog cases are still outstanding too, and they have no offer. So we might as well just.
Oh, sorry. I did explain to him that he still would have those charges. He no longer has a dog, so he can't come into compliance on those.
All right, so we need to have a trial.
Okay, that's fine. Yes.
Let me also say this, Mr. Gorey, is that we had this matter set for trial on 8/6/2024. I don't know what happened on that date and why we're back. Yeah, because you missed the date. Now.
Yes.
Now, I'm not gonna, you know, there's always probably some good reason for that, but you need to, whatever situation, you're supposed to contact the court and let us know. So next time, I'm gonna set this trial date. If you miss again, I'm gonna put a cash bond on you, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's set a trial date because, and that'll even give you more time to come in compliance with the, I'm gonna give you a trial date of November the 8th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Very much welcome, sir. Best of luck to you. Congratulations on that license and that new car. I just hope you can get it insured too.
On the 3rd, I'm going to get that taken care of when I get paid.
Very well. Have a very good day, Mr. Gorey. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
William Little.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your, do you have a middle name or mine?
Could you repeat that? I couldn't hear you.
Middle name, I think your middle name is Lamont?
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit, Ms. Wilkerson versus William Lamont Little. Case number SP 157-21861. Appearance for the record, please. And SP 157-21862. Ms. Wilkerson, appearance for the record, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Little, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Little, state your name for the record, please.
William Lamont Little.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Little, you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
Let's see what you have, please.
At the moment, I don't have it because my girlfriend is in the car and she is at work.
All right. Come back, pre-trial. 10/11, October 11th at 8:30, all right?
Okay.
Bring those. I'm gonna let you know though, that you owe the court for some old tickets. $948. That everything except for this 145 you need to pay. If you bring back the license and strike that insurance and registration, we'll dismiss the no insurance and expired plates, all right?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day. I'll see you back on October 11th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. On that TCL T430W, you finally got your audio connected. I'm gonna ask you to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and state your name, please. All right, Mr. Judge Birchback.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Charles Birchback on behalf of Erjan Luka.
Morning again. You, is there Officer Ball? Yeah, he was here. So let me put you in a breakout room, Judge Birchback, with the city attorney, and see if you can work something out.
Thank you.
Officer Ball is here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, repeat. Stop.
Did I ever name that iPhone? Zoom user, let me get a name, Zoom user, please. Good morning to you. What's your name, ma'am?
Angela Lear.
Angela Leah?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Spell the last name for me, please.
Lynn.
Lyn, oh, Lynn, okay.
What happened to my meeting?
I don't see Lynn on the docket. Oh, I do. The TCL, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. I need you to state your name for the record.
See. Milton Owens.
No. iPhone, I need you to unmute yourself. and state your name. I'm sending you the prompt. Start your video, please. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. My name is Willie McLittle.
Willie Mack Little. I think you're set for trial today. Good morning to you. All right, let's, I can't get that TCL to unmute himself. So we're gonna move on. Good morning to our corporate just came in. Good morning to Officer Party and Karen Lee. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ms. Harris, good morning to you, Attorney Harris. You have a client today?
Russell Lavelle
Lavelle?
is set for trial.
I don't know if Lavelle has made it yet.
Your Honor, may I?
You may.
I just spoke with that officer on Lavelle, and he says he does not have any recollection of this ticket, so I guess it has to be moved for dismissal.
All right. And I see Russell. All right. Let's do that.
But I can have my client zoom in right now. I don't think he's on just yet.
I think he's here. I saw Russell. Russell Lavelle, are you there? Antonio Russell, I see.
He's not, but I just spoke with him. So, and I told him I would text him because he was kind of working at the same time, or he was taking off work. So I just wanted to text him right when it was time.
There's no objection. City of Detroit versus Russell Lavelle, case number SP 155-23711. Appearance for the record, please.
For the people,
Calling stroking of Mr. Lavelle. I'm sorry.
No, that's Miss Harris's case. Go ahead, people. Let's start with the people.
Thank you. For the people, Victor Bowman, P33764.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Russell Lavelle, respectfully requesting to waive his appearance for purposes of his hearing.
Any objection, Counselor?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we'll waive the appearance since he's represented. I will acknowledge that Officer Bellamy was here. I don't know if he's still here or not, but I marked the file as such. And obviously, off the record, people said that the officer had no recollection. So we'll dismiss the case, no recollection.
Your Honor, considering the officer indicated no recollection, there was also a count too. And although my client paid it because he had paid it before I was appointed to the case, I would ask if that could be dismissed as well and his money's refunded.
I'm gonna deny that.
I had to try. Thank you, Your Honor.
I know you did. You always do, and I very much respect you for that. All right.
Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
You as well. Case dismissed. All right. All right. Since the TCL never responded, we have William Little.
Your Honor, I thought we did that one. Did you set it for pretrial?
Yeah, we did. You did. I didn't scratch that off.
We do have Mr. Owens ready, Your Honor.
Christopher Lawrence.
Good morning.
Good morning. Christopher, what's your middle name, please?
Vance.
Vance. City of Detroit versus Christopher Vance Owens, case number V1-3287-824.
Was that Christopher Lawrence?
Christopher Vance Lawrence.
Yes, sir.
A V1-3287-824. Ms. Wilkerson, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Vance, Your Honor.
Mr. Lawrence.
Lawrence, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Sorry. Mr. Lawrence, can you state your name for the record, please?
Christopher Vance Lawrence.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer from the city is pleading as charged, 6-month delay. I'm going to up that to a 12-month delay, and I'm going to find the maximum fine of $500 that I can for that. And Mr. Lawrence, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Sir, I was dismissed. I was told.
Wait a minute. Mr. Lawrence, I cut you off for a reason, okay? And I do that because I do not want you to say anything. You have the right to remain silent. That is the most fundamental right that we have. And I'm going to let you speak to Ms. Wilkerson, a very good attorney, in the breakout room, and you can have a private discussion with her about the matter, right? It's a procedure and then procedurally, if and when you want to be heard on the matter, the specifics or the facts, there's a time and a place for that. And right now, at this moment, is not that time, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, I do have a copy of the ticket, Ms. Wilkerson. And I can read the notes, or I can send that to you, and you can have that.
I can send you my email in the chat, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Send it to Ms. Mathis.
Okay.
Ms. Mathis. Get that ticket to her. Let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lawrence, with Ms. Wilkerson, and give you an opportunity to speak with her regarding the matter, right?
All right.
Absolute right to a trial. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, my client's continuing his plea not guilty, and we're asking for a MIDC attorney appointment. I did forward the information to you through an email.
What you want to do, Mr. Owens?
Yes, because on behalf, I was not reckless driving. I think
there you go. You want to do it. You want to talk about it as well. It's not the time. We're gonna let you talk to a lawyer about that. All right.
Okay.
All right. So.
And Your Honor, excuse me, the people did agree to set aside the defaults. They're in agreement with allowing the court to set them aside and put them on the track with the other matters.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Now, he's got some other matters that I want to make it clear to Mr. Owens. You got 2 other older matters that aren't going to be set aside. That's an unsafe manner driving, $258, and a seatbelt, $132. So you have to pay those.
Okay, I'll pay those as soon as possible.
But those are the other ones. Just make sure you don't pay these other ones, because if you pay them, you're going to be admitting guilt. And then you open up a whole nother bag of worms there. So I'm setting aside the default. Need to check my email address for your contact information. Okay, that phone number. Okay, 73. An email. So what I need you to do, Mr. Owens, is I need you to answer the calls or check your emails and your junk mail for this appointed attorney one of those calls you don't recognize should be that appointed attorney. I'm gonna, and you're at this new address here?
Yes.
Ms. Mathis, can you
The phone
change
has
it?
kind of like that.
All right, we're gonna change the address as well. What we're gonna do is set a not a bench trial date, we're gonna set a pre-trial date. We're gonna have you come back one more time, just to make sure that attorney has contacted you, okay?
Okay.
With the understanding that we're gonna set a trial date, for this, all right? So it'll be at least 2 more court appearances, just to let you know. Mr. Owens, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Keep in mind and answer those calls you don't know. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Okay.
All right, have a very good day, sir.
All right, thanks.
All right, did anybody speak with Judge Birch back in the breakout room regarding this client? Mr. Bowman or Mrs. Mason? All right. The TCL device, you never unmuted yourself. You're falling further and further down. I'm sending you the message to unmute yourself.
I'm unmuted, sir.
Not you. Right, he's not unmuting himself. Okay. Cynthia Garfield.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Your matter is set for trial. I don't know if Ireton is here. Officer Ireton, are you here yet? All right, we're gonna wait. Give the officer has a few more minutes, like 10 more minutes to show up, 11 more minutes to show up, Ms. Garfield. And if the officer doesn't show, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show, we'll get you in the breakout room with an attorney. All right.
All right.
All right. Did anybody speak to Birchback, Judge Birchback?
I have not, if you're talking to us.
No, Mr. Bowman or Miss Mason. He's in breakout room 4. Thaddeus Griffin.
Hey, how you doing, Your Honor?
Good morning to you.
All right.
Are you Thaddeus Griffin III?
Yes, I am.
All right. All right. This without the client. So Ms. Wilkerson has Mr.
Your Honor, I actually lost my client, so I can take this one. He dropped off.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Hold on one second. Karen Lee.
Yes, Your Honor.
You seem to be signed on onto another device as well.
No, that was my phone, but I thought I disconnected it.
All right.
Hey, let me get off.
I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna remove you on that. I'm gonna remove you on that one.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Thaddeus Griffin III, case number SP 1552652, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
2 minutes, Booker Robertson on
Hold on,
behalf.
that's Mr. Polk's client. He's in here now.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Mr. Polk. Mr. Polk, are you there? All right, we'll pass the matter. He's Miss Cream. Miss Soroki, do you have anybody?
Sorry, no, Your Honor.
Miss Cream, who is Miss Cream?
It's Trey Lapsley. I don't know why I say Miss Cream on there.
No, you're not Trey Lapsley. I mean, I have Trey Lapsley. Were you signed on as Miss Cream?
Yeah, but I switched it over.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
City of Detroit versus Trey. Lapse, case number SP 1359162, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Lapsley, state your name for the record, please.
Sorry, Shamar Lapsley.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Constable.
Waive the form reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor, and ask the warrant be set aside.
In or not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, we'll set the warrant aside. We have unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. You have registration and insurance, sir?
Yes.
Let's see what you have, Mr. Love.
This is my registration. This is my insurance right here.
Okay. Now, that's in some of Tanya Lapsley. Who is Tanya Lapsley to you?
That's my mother.
Do you stay with your mother?
Yes.
Let me ask you this: what about this 2013 Chevrolet?
That was my sister's car, but when I talked to my lawyer, he said, yeah, I had sent the stuff to him, but he said just show the registration and insurance for my car.
And whose car is that 2018 Dodge then?
It's my car, but my mom, she co-signed for me.
All right, any objection to dismissing based on valid documentation?
No objection, Your Honor. This is City Prosecutor Diachiku Mason, 43471.
I will dismiss the case, Mr. Lapsley. Have a very good day and best of luck to you. You owe 282 on this 31+ mile an hour over, right?
Yes. I took a class on this ticket. Class for it, and I completed the class and I sent you the certificate. But
when did you send me the certificate?
It was a while ago, in May.
Why are you just why did you wait so long? This is over a year old.
I missed because I work night shift, so I missed my court date. So
you're gonna have to this has already been abstracted to the Secretary of State. There was a class that they probably offered you to reduce the points, right?
Right. Yeah, I did that already.
You did that?
Yes.
All right, that's the best that I can do.
Okay. Okay. So I still have to pay the ticket.
Yeah, you have to pay the ticket.
Okay.
Judge Perkins,
Yes.
this is Tanya Lapsley, his mother.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Love.
Good morning. When you set him for trial the last time, you told him to complete the class for this ticket, and he completed it and sent you the certificate. But when it was time for the court date, he missed it because he overslept work at midnight. So he did complete the class within the amount of time that you told him to do it before the court date, but he missed the court date.
That's a mom that's never gonna stop loving her son and advocating for her. I understand that, Ms. Lapsley, but at the end of the day, this happened more than a year ago. And let's wait a minute. I'm gonna put the guy out with the TCL. He's not answering. Hold on, let me pause right quick.
Okay.
He's smoking. He's not answering. I'm gonna put him out. So, Ms. Lapsley, as much as I would love to be able to, and I understand, things happen, but this has been over a year ago. And I haven't heard from Mr. Lapsley until now.
No. Sorry, sir. You set the court date for June for this ticket. It was supposed to be for 3 tickets: the registration, the insurance, and the ticket, and the speeding ticket. That's why you gave him the course to take to the point. Yeah, yep.
And it's August of 2024.
Well, his court date, you had a court date that was in February. You told him to take the class. You reset the court date for June. You told him to take the class and you reset the court date for June.
I don't understand where you're coming from.
Well, when he got the ticket, his first court date was in February. I think it was in February. And you told him, well, because of the ticket, he was going to incur these points. So you told him to take the better driver's class. And then you reset the matter for June. And he sent you the certificate before the court date. But unfortunately, he missed the court date.
I apologize, Judge. I just need to speak to the prosecutor about one.
Hold on, Mr. Pope. Good morning to you. Okay, Ms. Lapsley, here's the deal. The allegation was made 2 years ago on June the 7th, 2022. And the arraignment was had on, one notice was sent out on the 15th for an arraignment and on November the 21st, 2022. There was a pretrial scheduled on that day. She appeared. And then you move on down. That pretrial date was scheduled for December the 8th, 2022. He moved down to December the 8th, 2022. He didn't show.
The infraction date says May 23.
For the speeding ticket?
Yes.
Yeah, May 20. Okay, so I'm looking at a different one.
You want me to give you the case number?
No, I have it.
Okay.
May 23. It's Miss Lapsley. The ship has sailed, Miss Lapsley. I can give him some relief on the late fees. He even missed the amnesty, but I can give him some relief on that and give him an amnesty. I know you want the points to be gone, but the ship is sailed.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was. That's why you gave him the class so we can reduce the points. That's why you told him to do
And I did do that, but he missed it.
He missed the class. He missed the court date. No,
right?
he did the class within time. You gave him.
No, he missed the date. He missed the court date. That's the most important thing.
Oh, yeah, he
And
did.
it went into default, and then the Secretary of State, it abstracted to the Secretary of State, and then he took the class and probably got 2 points reduced from the 4-point offense. He missed it. And let's not even discuss going 31 miles an hour over the speed limit on
Oh,
Gratiot.
no, we're not going to discuss that. No, sir.
All right.
No, we're not going to discuss that.
I hope you've had that conversation with your son there. Because 30 miles an hour over on Gratiot is I know they're speeding down there every day, but that's way excessive.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I appreciate the advocacy. I appreciate the love. I know my mom would be, if she were here today, she'd be doing the same thing, Miss Lapsley. But I'm just my hands are tied. All right. Let's reduce the Miss Mathis. Let's reduce the late fees and let's bring it back down to as close to the original amount of the fine as we can. All right. All right. Best of luck to you both. Have a very good day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's pause the matter here. We have to take a few minutes recess. So, Mr. Birchbeck, Judge Birchbeck, is there a resolution here? Did you come to some sort of resolution?
Unfortunately, no, Your Honor. I was able to talk with the trooper and the state prosecutor. There's no offer being made. I'm just going to tender a plea of responsible as charged to the ticket, Judge. Ask for a few days to pay.
Okay. And
I could ask for a hearing, but I'm not going to waste everybody's time. We'll just resolve it by pleading responsible as charged.
But if your client does want a hearing, I can reset it so that you can get your client in here because I imagine you were a civil infraction. But if you want to please charge, we can do that as well.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for the opportunity to have a hearing. I'm waiving that right on behalf of my client.
We'll put it on the record, and as soon as Ms. Williams Law comes back. Mr. Pope, good morning to you. The window is closed for officers. Let's find out while we're here. Next up, who do we have waiting? Griffin and Lawrence.
Not Garfield.
Not Garfield. Yeah, I'm talking about has already talked to a lawyer. Garfield. Miss Garfield, good morning to you. So let's see. Ireton never showed, correct? Your case is going to be dismissed.
Thank you.
Yes. Officer Ireton here. Then we have what's going to go on with Griffin. Oh, that's Mr. Polk's case. And then we have, and he seems to have fallen off. And then who just joined on that phone? 3480870.
Excuse me, sir. This is Garfield. Am I done?
Not yet now.
Yes. Yes, this is Mr. Morris, Hugo Morris.
To come back. Good morning on that telephone there. What's your name, sir?
Hugo, Hugo, Morris, Morris.
Hugo Morris. Good morning to you.
Yes. Good morning.
All right, just I'm gonna mute you and then press *6 when I call your name, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Attorney Polk, have you had an opportunity to speak with anybody regarding this? We're just gonna try to get some of these until we get our court reporter back. The offer is 6-month delay on the open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. The 2 points will abstract. It'll be a $240 fine. Even if the case does get dismissed, that's not gonna erase away the points on that. So you can speak with the city attorney if you want to, Mr. Polk, or you can set it for a trial date. Is your choosing. I still don't think that. All right, are we ready? Yes. City of Detroit versus Erjan Laika. I don't know, state of Michigan versus Erjan Laika. Case number SX 4169521. Judge Bergback, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Chip Birchback on behalf of Mr. Laika.
Mr. As it relates to your client's presence, Counselor.
Your Honor, I would waive my client's presence. As I've mentioned earlier, he is working today, driving a truck to Bay City. I have authority to plead responsible to the ticket as charged, using a mobile device while operating a commercial vehicle. And I'd ask for a little time to pay so he can pay online within 48 hours or so.
Officer or Trooper Ball. Is that Trooper Ball?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the records?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ball, Michigan State Police, badge number 152.
Good morning to you. All right, with that stipulation, Mr. Birchback, I'm gonna find your client responsible as charged, $100 fine, and I'm giving him until 9/5/2024 to pay. He can pay that at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay in person. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone. There are other ways to pay as well, but those 2 ways go through instantly. So if there's nothing further, always good to see you, Judge, and have a very good day. And then Trooper Ball, you have a very good day as well. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for your time. Take care. Always good to see you.
Pay by 9/5, always pay by 9/5. City of Detroit versus Cynthia Garfield, case number SP 15672-811. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, behalf of Ms. Garfield.
Ms. Garfield, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. What happened to her? State your name for the record.
Can you hear
please.
me?
I can hear you.
Cynthia
Good morning.
Garfield.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Is Officer Ireton here. Hearing no response, now I've seen this officer join the room. It is now 9:40 past the time. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, at this time, I'm going to move for dismissal. Does the date and time set for trial?
Grant the motion to dismiss Ms. Garfield. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Polk, are you there now? I know he's so busy. All right, let's move down to Harmony Griffin. Ms. Griffin, are you there?
Good morning. How are you, Judge?
And good morning to you. That's your full name, ma'am?
No, I'm sorry. I'm Fatima Griffin.
Immigrant.
Yes, I'm with Larry Pope as well.
Well, you got Mr. Polk, all right, so you're going to, you're gonna have to wait, all right? All right, let's pass that matter.
Your
Lynn,
Honor, I apologize for interrupting. This is Interpreter Villarreal. I need to be in another courtroom by 10.
okay, you're free to leave, Ms. Villarreal. You're more than welcome to come back and check. And if we do see, oh, you want to ask right now? I don't think.
Yes, I would.
Go ahead.
Está presente Ibis Yacir Lemu Barahona. Ibis Yacir Lemu Ora Barahona.
Okay, I hear no response, and that other person in the breakout room is not your client.
No.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see you later. If not, have a good weekend if I don't see you today or tomorrow. And
thank you, Your Honor.
You're always welcome to check back in.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a great day.
As well. This is the city of Detroit versus Delano Deshaun Gloucester, case number SP 15554762, SP 15305631, SP 15554761. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of defendant Gloucester.
Mr. Gloucester, can you state your name for the record, please?
Delano Gloucester.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I thought we had one of the officers is Officer Edwards here. It's Officer Hinkle here. Hearing no response and not seeing any of those officers in the breakout room.
I'm going to move for dismissal, Your Honor. Today is the date and time set for trial, and the officer hasn't appeared.
Very well. Mr. Gloucester, case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Angela Lynn. This is the city of Detroit versus Angela Denise Lynn.
Yes.
SP 1400479 SP 158555451. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Miss Lynn.
Ms. Lynn, state your name for the record, please.
Angela Lynn.
All right, today is the date and time set for a, one case is under warrant status. It's not on the docket, and the other one's show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, we'll waive the form of reading the information, stand mute to the charges.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The one that's off docket matter is a false ID case. So get an updated offer for Miss Lynn. And then Miss Lynn, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Soroki, and you can let us know what you wanna do when you come out. Your breakout room is changed to 3 now, Miss Soroki.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Polk, are you ready?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Do you need to speak with your clients?
No, I do not, Judge.
This is the city of Detroit versus Fatima Griffin, case number SP 155-24371. And the city of Detroit versus Thaddeus Griffin, case number SP 155-2652, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, man. Please, this honorable court. Larry Polk on behalf of Fatima Griffin and Larry Polk on behalf of Thaddeus Griffin. Both are on Zoom, Judge, and at this time, I'd ask Mr. Thaddeus Griffin to state his name for the record, followed by Miss Fatima Griffin stating her name for the record.
Thaddeus Griffin.
Fatima Griffin.
All right. Good morning to both of you. Today is the date time set for pre-trial. Any resolution, Mr. Polk?
It's not a resolution, Judge. I did speak to the prosecutor, and they have a video that they want to forward me in reference to a resolution in this matter. And so I'm asking the court to give us one final pretrial. I'll get that video, and we should be able to resolve this one way or the other on our next date.
Why don't we just go straight to the trial date?
That's fine, Judge.
Yeah, straight to trial date on both of them. It's got 11/8. I don't know how that comports with your schedule, Mr. Polk.
I will take a look right now, Judge. Just 1 second. 11/8. That's a good day, Judge. I don't have anything planned for that day.
Very good, Mr. and Mrs. Griffin. I don't know if that's husband and wife or brother and sister or.
It is husband and wife, Judge.
Husband and wife, I was gonna say, or any relation at all, maybe. But anyway, both of you, if it's no further questions, you have a very good day, November the 8th, 2024. And Mr. Polk, always good to see you. Did you put
you as well, Judge?
I can't see.
I did not. My P number is 48164. I apologize.
Very good. All right. All right. If it's nothing further, everybody have a very good day and best of luck to you all.
Thank you, Judge. You and your staff enjoy the rest of your day.
And you as well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel, and I know that you had some. Were you satisfied with getting some of that stuff off your chest?
Oh yes, we're going to trial, sir.
Okay. 11/8/2024. Do you need an appointed attorney, or are you gonna work with the attorney that will be here that day? Because Ms. Wilkerson may not. Pardon me?
I'll work with the attorney that's here that day. 11/8/2024.
11/8/2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. What about they're saying there was some video. They said there was some video. So what about getting Mr. Lawrence some of that discovery? I don't want to have that issue when we come for trial that day. And I'm speaking in reference to any of the city attorneys, either Mr. Bowman or Ms. Mason.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was the question?
So it's in the ticket, it referenced that it was some video. I want to make sure that Mr. Lawrence has everything he needs to do on that date.
When we find out who his lawyer is, we will send it.
All right, well, he's going with the court-appointed lawyer that, on that day. Let's, let me, give me 1 minute, Mr. Lawrence. Let's figure out how we're gonna parse that out. I want Mr. Bowman to talk with his colleague and maybe Ms. Wilkerson and figure out how that video will be, if it still exists, because it did reference that in the notes of the ticket. All right, let's figure that out. Give me a few more minutes, Mr. Lawrence. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Very well. Okay. TCL T430W. I put you out the room because you were smoking on Zoom. This is, I know you might be in the comfort of your own home, sir, but while you're on Zoom in this court, you're considered to be in court. No smoking. You never did unmute yourself. You finally did. Can you state your name for the record? I mean, can you state your name, please? He's still not responding. All right, let's move on. Lillard. Savon Lillard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Savon Mario Lillard, case number U 670933323 SP 1308906, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor,
I believe you have somebody, don't you, Mr. Roki? Or
the
do you
person
not?
never came into the breakout room, so I don't know what happened.
Who is the person that you, oh, you know why? Because they're in the breakout room with Miss Wilkerson. You're in on Angel Lynn? Angela
Yeah, I
Lynn?
believe it. The extra ticket was the false ID.
I know she's spoken to her. Let's switch her. I tried to switch her. Go ahead in the breakout room. Speak to her, please. Mr. Roki.
I'm sorry. Okay.
She's in the breakout room now.
Okay. Thank you.
Miss Wilkerson.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, while we're here now, I pulled you out that I mistakenly put Miss Lynn in that breakout room. I know you guys had probably a detailed conversation, but that was Mrs. Roki's client when we called. So
okay.
Let's go back on the record with Christopher Lawrence. Let's wait on Christopher Lawrence because Bowman is in the because what we're talking about on Christopher Lawrence is it was in the notes said that there was some video that existed. He wants to set a trial date and he wants to go with the lawyer that will be in the courtroom that day. I indicated to him that it possibly would not be you. It could, you know, you're here from time to time, but it could possibly not be you. And he's okay with that. But I want to make sure that he has all the information that he needs to do to defend himself. So I want you to work with Mr. Bowman or Ms. Mason. I think we have Mr. Bowman out of the room now. Thought we did.
Your Honor, without getting into any of the facts per se, I did explain to Mr. Lawrence everything he needs to have. I believe he has everything to defend himself. But if he wants the video, that's fine. But he understands that there is video of him doing this, but the situation is just not as the police thought it was. So
okay.
he has
so you understand that, Mr. Lawrence? So you're willing to, if you're willing to wait until the, okay. Absolutely. So if you're good with that, and we'll make sure, Mr. Bowman, let's make sure that a video is ready to be, is at least available to his counsel there. He understands that, so he's willing to just wait till November the 8th to be heard. And we just want to make sure if the video exists, then it's available to him, all right?
I understand that, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very
Judge,
well.
for the record, this is Diachiku Mason. Who are we giving the video to? Do we have
Well,
there's
go ahead. The video would, if he wanted it, I don't see why Mr. Lawrence couldn't have that himself, but he's indicating to the court that that's a non-issue right now because he's fully understands that it may be one may exist, and he's fully understanding he's prepared to defend himself whether you present the video or not.
okay, Your Honor. We just want to we're allowed 21 days in which to get that upon request. So if Mr. Lawrence has email or some way that we can get the video to him so that he can look at it, if it exists, any discovery.
You want to give her your email, or you just want to wait, Mr. Lawrence?
I'll give her my email. No problem.
Go ahead in the breakout room, and for just the purposes of giving the city attorney your email address, if you want to, I can put you in there as well, Ms. Wilkerson. But
Okay.
But go ahead in the breakout room 4, exchange that, and then we'll go from there. And we'll. You don't have to come back if you don't have any more questions, Mr. Lawrence. Have a very good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And I need the city in the breakout room too, please.
You can go ahead and join 4 as well.
Judge, I just chatted it. I got it already, so he doesn't have to go in the breakout room. I got it in the chat. Thank you.
Okay, very well. Now you need to go, Ms. Soroki wants you to break up. All right. The gentleman on the TCL device, you're laughing. I can hear you now. What's your name? He's just standing there, just looking.
For me,
Yes. What's your name?
my name's Javon Gamble, Javon Gerard Gamble.
All right. Did you hear what I said about smoking in my courtroom?
I'm sorry, sir.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing, sir?
I'm all right. How about yourself?
I'm all right.
Do we have a lawyer that doesn't have anybody?
Yes, I'm ready, Your Honor, if you want to call.
City of Detroit versus Javon Gerard Gamble. I knew she was going to go in that breakout. Case numbers SP 1583615-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Till Manager Wilkerson on behalf of the defendant.
Never with me. He just
Mr. Gamble, state your name for the record, please.
Javon Gerard Gamble.
All right, Ms. Wilkerson, the day is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead.
For purpose of arraignment, Your Honor, we'd like to waive formal read and stand mute, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
And then not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give you a client a $0 bond. I show that Mr. Gamble has 3 civil infractions. I wouldn't have any issue with setting the civil infractions aside. They went into default on June the 6th. One of them is a no insurance civil infraction, and he owes a reinstatement fee on that. If the people have no objection, I'll allow him to pay that reinstatement fee up front, potentially at least making him eligible for a license as it relates to 36th District Court, and we'll allow him to be heard on those tickets. Those tickets, and you can check with the city if they don't have any objections, set it aside. It's a no insurance proof civil infraction, a failure to use turn signal civil infraction, and a no valid registration civil infraction. So Mr. Gamble, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 2. Ms. Wilkerson is gonna work on your case, and she'll come in there and talk to you in a minute, all right?
All right, sir.
Join the room, please.
Miss Mason, can I go back into a breakout room with you just to, or can I ask you on the record, do you have any objection to setting aside the civil infraction?
Attorney Bowman?
I have no objection.
Okay, thank you.
That's a no insurance civil, a failure to use turn signal and a no registration. Get an updated offer on those, and then you can. I didn't let Mr. Gamble know he has an absolute right to a trial. He's back.
I'll let him know, Your Honor.
He's back in the main session now. So, Mr. Gamble, what happened? You came out.
What happened that night?
No, what I'm trying to put you in the breakout room. Why did you come back out?
Oh, sorry about that.
Hold on. I'm gonna put you back because you're gonna see 2. Rejoin it. And then wait on the lawyer, okay? Let's pass the matter. All right, let's pass the matter. All right, are we ready on, well, we're not ready on, okay, so Lillard would be next. Mr. Long.
Yes, Judge.
Are you, what's your full name?
Christopher Earl Long.
Christopher Earl Long, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay. Mr. Long, do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
Let's see what you have, please.
Mine is it's a digital had an actual physical paper.
I'm gonna put my email address in the chat. You can ask the insurance company, email me a copy of it.
Yeah, I already got a copy. It's just here on my phone.
Send that to me when you get a chance. We'll call you face. All right.
Okay.
Willie Matt Little, we're gonna get you in the breakout room and speak with the lawyer, right? And then Hugo Morris.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. See, let me check with Hugo Morris what you have going on. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Morris?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
Okay. So just give me a minute. I'm gonna let you speak with the lawyer, all right?
Okay.
And Karen Lee. You're set for trial as well. Officer Martin. We have Officer Martin here and Wise, both show. So we're gonna get you with a lawyer and give you an opportunity to, we'll avail you of an offer and give you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer.
Your Honor, if I may, Victor Bowman.
You may.
Officer Wise is here. I've talked to him about Teresa Long. He does not have any recollection. It's a very old ticket. So dismissal is.
I'm referencing Karen Lee.
I'm sorry, you're looking at Karen Lee?
Karen Lynette Lee.
Officer Wise, which ticket are you here on?
I'm here on ticket SP 1567782.
Karen Lee, that's Karen Lee.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, yeah, I've spoken with Officer Long regarding Karen Lee, and he has no recollection.
We have Officer Wise and Officer Martin. You have no recollection on the Lee, right? Is that Officer Wise?
Sir, I don't recall having that conversation.
All right, Mr. Bowman.
Yes, Your Honor. Dismissal would be appropriate.
No, I'm gonna implore you to go back in the breakout room with the officers because Long, you're saying I gotta understand what you're saying. We're talking about Karen Lee, and Officer Wise just indicated that he doesn't recall talking to you about no recollection on his ticket.
All right, I'll try again, Your Honor. Thank you.
Now it's two officers here for Miss Lee. That would be Joshua Martin, and Officer David Wise. Officer Wise right there on the screen says he doesn't recall having that conversation with you. So
he does. Okay. All right, I'll be back. Which breakout room, Your Honor?
Go to one. Go back to one, everybody, and then Officer Martin, go to one as well and discuss Karen Lee, please. All right, let's go ahead and let's go back on the record with Lynn, Angela Lynn. Miss Soroki, I've given you opportunity to speak with Miss Lynn. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, my client is going to accept the offer of the plea. The recommendation is she would plead to the amended count of failed display. The original counts would be dismissed.
And we're talking about the false ID is going to be dismissed as well?
That's correct.
Okay, you want to take the deal, Miss Lynn?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Huh?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? All right, it sounds like you have to go back over her advice or rights, Ms. Soroki.
No problem, Your Honor.
Rejoin the room, Ms. Lynn. Speak with the lawyer again, please.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Gamble. Ms. Wilkerson, I got Mr. Gamble here. Were you able to work out anything?
Yes, ready on Gamble, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Gamble. Mr. Gamble, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Gamble regarding his rights to trial. He would like to waive those rights and avail himself to the plea offer, which is a plea to the amended charge of fail to display on the license and proper charge, and the remaining civil infractions to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gamble?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You understand that, Mr. Gamble?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gamble, Ms. Wilkerson went over your other rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 16th, 2024 at 10:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Kendall and Pinehurst. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No. No, sir.
You didn't come encounter with the Detroit Police on that day?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That night.
That night?
Yeah.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah, they pulled me over.
And did they ask you for, were you driving a car, right?
Yes, sir.
And did they ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yeah.
That's yes?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you, Mr. Gamble?
I had them. I had
You
a
didn't
license,
have-
but like,
Did you have a license at the time?
no, sir. I got insurance though.
I spoke to. He told me that he had.
Hold on a second, Mr. Bowman. All right. So you didn't have a license though, right?
No, sir. I had no license.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty, Mr. Gamble, as of the amended count of failure to display. I'm gonna fine you $240 for that. With the stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Wilkerson, when can you pay?
Mr. Gamble.
Mr. Gamble, I'm sorry, Mr. Gamble. Mr. Gamble, when can you pay?
On the first.
On the first?
I did monthly checks, yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna have you pay it by September the 5th. Pay it, I'm gonna give you a couple of days after the first to make sure you get it paid, all right?
How much you say?
$240.
Right, sir.
All right, you pay it in any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit? I'm told you can upload that did that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, okay?
All right, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gamble, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Savon Lillard. Case number. SP. I called. I don't think I called.
Yeah.
I did.
U7, so you take it in.
U67093323. SP 1308906, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Mr. Lillard.
Mr. Lillard, state your name for the record, please.
Savon Lillard.
All right, today is a date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer Howells? Officer Caldwell, hearing no response. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial. The officer's not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal of all charges.
All right, case is dismissed. Mr. Lillard, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, appreciate it.
Okay. Long, I do. City of Detroit versus Christopher Earl Long, case number SB 158-69581. Appearance for the record, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Long. Mr. Long, please state your name for the record.
Christopher Long.
Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. Long has showed me valid insurance. Any objection to dismissing for providing valid documentation?
No objection, Your Honor.
Very well. Case dismissed, Mr. Long. Have a very good day.
Judge, can I talk to one of the lawyers? I had a question regarding that officer on that case. I wanted to know how I go about filing a proper complaint.
All right. I can't obligate her to talk to you regarding that,
Okay.
but I will let you, if she doesn't mind. Ms. Wilkerson, do you mind speaking with Mr. Long for a second?
That's fine, Your Honor, sure.
Okay, I appreciate that.
All right. Willie, let's go back on the record with Miss Lynn. Miss Lynn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Do you understand what's going on now, Miss Lynn?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 24th, 2024 at around 1:08 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of French Road and Mac. Have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I didn't hear you.
On that date, June the 24th, 2024 at around 1:08 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of French Road and Mac. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Because I left it on the table. I was taking the kids out. I was taking the kids home.
That would amount to a failure to display, but they're saying the license was suspended anyway. But I don't think it matters one way or the other.
And they said I have no insurance. I have insurance on the car. It was a rental.
They didn't write you for no insurance. They just said your license was suspended. But you indicated on the record that you were not able to display the license. So in this regard, you're offering a plea to an amended count of failure to display. The court will say that you can either plead to the as charged offense, or you can plead to make the factual basis for the amended count. So I find, am I correct with that, Ms. Soroki, Ms. Mason?
I believe so, Your Honor.
So I find that you guilty to the amended count of failure to display $240. Stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll have to pay the reinstatement fee for the one case that we dismissed is $45. I'm going to discuss when you can pay this $240 for this one here, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me some time because I'm due to between jobs right now?
Absolutely. What do you say? 30 days?
At least give me 60, 2 months.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and give you 60 days because you indicated that you're not working now, and I do understand that you have to get back going, and it takes some time to get a paycheck and stuff like that, and you got other obligations. So I'm going to give you until October 22nd, 2024. What I also do is I'll give you the time to either pay it or before that date, get into a payment plan. So I'm going to mark the file allow payment plan, all right?
Okay.
So I wish you the best of luck. I'm gonna be praying that you get that job and it's paying you big money, man. All right?
Thank you.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right.
Thank you.
Good.
Good luck, ma'am.
You too.
Willie Mac Little.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
City of Detroit versus Willie Mac Little, case number SP 11-36890, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-369-341. SP 12-0699, 1 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 15-11198, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 991902 1 18 5587, counts 1, 2, and 3. 20385048, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Mac Little.
Mr. Little, state your name for the record, please.
Willie Mac Little.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's check in the officers that appeared. I have Corporal Sergeant Carson appeared. He's in the breakout room. I have Officer Povish did not appear. At least I didn't see him in the breakout room. And he's not in the main room. Hopman, Officer Hopman. Is there Officer Hopman? I have not seen an Officer Hopman. Officer James. Is there an Officer James? I do not see Officer James.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. You said Officer James. This is the city prosecutor, Chico Mason. Which case? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
SP 9919021.
Officer Christian James. I'm sorry, Your Honor. He had a doctor's appointment. He wanted to let you know. I told him to let you know, but he did check in with me, Your Honor. As an officer of the court, I'm making that representation.
I appreciate its representation, Your Honor. I'm going to ask the court to consider it a non-appearance.
I'm not gonna consider it a non-appearance. I'll consider it an appearance, but he's not here right now in the date and time set for trial. So that case is gonna be dismissed on motion, because we don't have him. And, he was here. I'm not gonna say, I won't put no officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He did check in and I have him listed as checked in. Thank you, for reminding me. Vickers. No, not here. So Mr. Little, you're winning so far. You haven't even said a word yet. All right.
Yes, sir.
So we're dealing with one count, improper plates as charged, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, misdemeanor, and a license improper. We're dealing with another license improper, no insurance, misdemeanor, and an unregistered, untitled. Oh, wait a minute, Rogan. Oh, not here. I haven't seen a Rogan. Have you? Let me see my list. No Rogan. Okay. So we're dealing with 4 misdemeanors. Improper plates, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, and a license improper. Get an updated offer based on what we know now as far as who has appeared and who hasn't. You have an absolute right to a trial. That's today is set for. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Ms. Soroki is going to get you an updated offer. We'll pass the matter until then, all right? Join the room, sir. Karen Lee. Good morning to you, Ms. Lee.
Good morning, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Karen Lee, case number SP 156-7781, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 156-77821. Appearance for the record, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Ms. Lee, Your Honor. Or Ms. Soroki, was this yours? I'm sorry.
No, this is you.
Okay.
Ms. Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Karen Lynette Lee.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Wise, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Wise, Detroit Police Department of the 10th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. And then do we have officer, is that Sergeant? Officer Martin, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Joshua Martin, badge 4091, Detroit Police Department, 10th Precinct.
Okay, good morning to both of you. Is there a resolution? Is the offer in the file? Let's get this from what the city is willing to offer you first, and I'm gonna get you an opportunity to put you in a breakout on this. So its offer is a failure to display, amended count from no ops. Really, those are the same things. No ops and failure to display. $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State. However, it won't carry any points. And then for the speeding ticket, they're only willing to reduce it to a 6 to 10. They allege you're going 16 to 20, which would be a 4 point. They're willing to drop it down to a 2 point, and it's $135, and they'll dismiss the no insurance. Let me put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lee, with Ms. Wilkerson, and have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Pass it. All right, what do we have as far as
I need to speak with the city in one of the breakout rooms when they're available.
go to 4, please. All right. Long good morning to you.
Good morning.
Running
Can
the
you hear me?
tab. You're running a tad bit late there, Miss Long.
Yes, sir. I apologize.
Now, as far as these cases are concerned, I did see Officer Nelson. I see Corporal Corbett, and I see Officer Harvey. So all 3 of those officers appeared. And which one is the one you have the no recollection? Did you work that out, Mr. Bowman? Mr. Bowman? They must be in the breakout. Mr. Bowman, as far as Lisa Long is here, I have all 3 officers here for Long.
Okay. Good enough.
Which one did you mention? Did you work out who had the no recollection? You mentioned that earlier.
I believe that was Wise, but I guess I'm not sure.
Wise said he's not wise to that.
Well, then that ticket should be dismissed.
There you go.
She's got 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets on the docket today.
That's Long, right?
Teresa Long, right.
Why don't you go in the breakout room? I got Corporate is here. He's waiting in the main session. Why don't you go Corporate and Mr. Bowman and speak to your officers? Nelson and Farty are in the breakout room. So speak to the 3 officers here for Long and see if you can ascertain what you want to do with those cases.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Excuse me.
Hold on. Just give it a minute, Miss Long. We're just doing some procedural stuff, all right?
Your Honor, Officer Wise, if I may.
You may.
I just want to put on the record that I have no tickets for Teresa Long.
I understand that. Thank you. All right, now let's. So, Officer Farney, good morning to you, and Corporate, good morning to you. Go in the breakout room with back in the breakout room with Attorney Bowman, and then discuss Long, please.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. We'll do.
Good morning, yes, sir. You. All right.
Is that the same breakout we were in?
Same breakout room. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Let's go ahead to back on the record with Miss Lee. Miss Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Miss Wilkerson, what does Miss Lee want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lee would like to avail herself to the plea offer.
Of the 6 to 10, you know, it's 2 points on your license, Miss Lee, and the failure to display. If you don't have a valid license, by taking this offer, you'll not be eligible for a license for at least 2 years. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. I don't drive anymore.
Very good. All right. Just raise your right hand, Miss Lee. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines for the misdemeanor offenses, Ms. Lee?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Wilkerson went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Ms. Lee, let me draw your attention back to March the 25th, 2024, at around 2:10 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hamilton and Burlingame. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Almost made it back to Highland Park, didn't you?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
License has been suspended for some years.
Very good. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 will be the fine. Were you speeding on that day, ma'am?
So they say. There's no speed limits posted either, but he did the radar and we both were caught at a light. So I was in an emergency situation. I had to use the bathroom.
Okay, what'd you say? Now, you understand that when there's no speed limit posted, there is a speed limit of typically on that side street is 35 miles an hour. That's in your driver's training manual. You understand that, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Were you driving over that miles per hour? What'd you say?
I could be, yes.
It was an emergency situation. I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10. What I'm gonna do though is I'm not gonna fine you for that. I'm just gonna fine you the 240. And I think the 2 points on your license is enough in 240. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I'm on a fixed income, and I need to be on a payment plan.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you as well 60 days to either pay it or come on down to the court and get into a payment plan, all right?
Okay, I have to come to the court to get the payment plan?
You have to come to the court to get the payment plan, yes. I don't know of any better way. You can call, but I don't know of any better way. So I'll find that out for future reference, but at this moment, I don't know any better way.
Okay.
So by either October 22nd, do one of two things, ma'am. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or get into that payment plan before October 22nd, all right?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Lee, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good day.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Thank you. Let's call Ms. Wilkerson, the city of Detroit versus Hugo Menard Morris, case number SP 154255051. Appearance for the record, please.
Field Manager Wilkerson on behalf of Mr. Morris. Mr. Morris, please press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name for the record.
State your name, Mr. Morris. He went back muted again. He knows how to unmute himself too.
What's this?
*6, Mr. Morris.
Okay, that's not the third time I pushed it. Good morning.
State your name for the record, please.
Hugo Morris.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Warren, go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, for purpose of, 1 second, Mr. Morris. For purpose of arraignment, we'd like to waive formal reading, stay on mute, allow the court to enter a plea of not guilty, and set aside any warrants that may be present.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. The offer as it stands right now is the failure to display, $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Morris, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Wilkerson. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank
He's
you.
in there, Ms. Wilkerson.
Okay. Wait, I didn't get the point. We're from 2, I see.
Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Willie Long. Strike that, Willie Mack Little. Mr. Willie Mack Little, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we did reach disposition. So regarding the tickets that were by the officer that did appear, Officer Carson, the plea recommendation is my client would plead his charge to improper plate and no registrations being amended to improper plate. Those other two charges the other two charges written by Officer Corey are being dismissed, and we'd stipulate to probable cause. Regarding all other matters, the officers have not appeared, and we're moving for dismissal on those also.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss on the officers that have not appeared. As far as the offer, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
I'm going to find you 2 for each misdemeanor that you plead to, and they're both improper plates. One is as charged, and the other one is amended from the unregistered untitled. And we'll dismiss the other 2 cases 240 will be 240 plus 240, and I'll dismiss upon payment. You want to take it?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 18th, 2020, at around 6:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Davison and Wildermere. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Operate a motor vehicle.
Yes.
Something wrong with the plates on that motor vehicle, sir?
They wasn't, I don't think they belonged to me, improper plates.
You know they didn't belong to that vehicle, right? Is that your
Yes.
car?
Yes, it was.
So you know they didn't belong to that vehicle, right?
Yes, sir.
So why you say I don't think?
It's been a minute. It's been back in 20. That's been a while.
Do you recollect now?
Yes, I do.
Do you always drive with plates that don't belong to that particular car?
No,
that
sir.
you have?
I no longer own a car. I don't drive anymore.
I understand that, but in the past, did you always drive with plates on the car that didn't belong to the car?
Yes, I did, sir.
Always you did that?
Not always, no. Just that particular car.
That's only one time, so that's why I'm getting, my point is, you should recollect that one time.
You're right.
All right, so you do recollect it, sir?
Yes.
All right, and there was no registration for that vehicle either, was it, sir?
No, sir.
Very good. Find them guilty as charged to the improper plate, and I'll find them guilty to the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled. Both will not abstract to the Secretary of State. Both will not carry any points, and I'll dismiss both upon payment. And I'm dismissing the other matters for the reasons stated on the record. 240, I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fees. You got a host. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. Strike that. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. You have a host of reinstatement fees that you have to pay as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $450 plus another $45, $495 just in reinstatement fees. And you owe $162 on an old no valid registration ticket. And then you owe $240 for these. I'm only concerned about the $240. When can you pay it?
The 15th, sir.
The 15th?
Yes.
You got a big haul coming in on the 15th, huh?
Payday, sir.
Payday. All right. All right. So pay it by I'm gonna give you until let's give you to the 23rd to make sure that all gets here. I'm gonna have you back on the 23rd. And if it's paid, you don't have to show back up. I'm only concerned about the 480.
Yes, sir.
I'm only concerned about the 480. And you have to concern yourself about the other dollar amounts, all right?
Yes, sir.
You paying at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit? I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Willie Mack Little, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You do the same.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Teresa LaShawn Long, case number SP 790741, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9876701, 1970833941. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Long.
Yes.
State your name for the record, Ms. Long.
Teresa LaShawn Long.
All right, Officer Corporal Corporate, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record?
Good morning, Judge. Corporal Stanley Kropik, badge 775, City Detroit Police Officer.
And Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record?
Good morning, Officer Brian Nelson, badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
All right, Officer Barty, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record?
Yes, good morning, sir.
Name, badge number, and department, please.
Yeah, this is Officer Friday with the Wayne State Police, badge 116.
All right, good morning to you. Ms. Long drew the short straw today because a lot of the cases got dismissed for no officer, but Ms. Long, all the officers showed up in her case. So, do we have a resolution, any of this?
I don't recall this ticket, sir. I don't recall this ticket for Ms. Long.
So that's one relief for you. All right, anyone else?
I'm all set, sir.
Okay, you're free. I don't have any further from you, Officer Birdie. Be safe out there. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you, sir.
So we're dealing with 2 license tickets, 1 improper plate ticket, 1 no insurance ticket. Miss Long, you owe $276 on an old expired plate ticket as well. Get an updated offer, Ms. Soroki, for Ms. Long. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with the lawyer. Ms. Long, join it and wait on Ms. Soroki to come in there, okay?
All right.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes. Hold on.
I have Judge Holmes' courtroom.
Oh, God, trying to doubt.
You have Judge Holmes? Okay. I think you got it. If you've already talked to Mr. Bowman?
Yeah, my understanding was my suspended license was going to be dropped to fail to display.
Okay, so unless there's some other way, we have your contact information, correct?
I don't know. He's a new prosecutor. I don't think he has my phone number.
Your Honor, I have his number. This is Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit.
Very good. Okay. All right, go ahead. If we have an issue, we'll get in contact you. Be safe out there.
All right, you too. Have a good day.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Hugo Morris. Mr. Morris, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Morris would like to avail himself to the plea offer, which was a plea to the amended charge of failed to display.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Morris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why don't you get a license?
I will, Your Honor. I will.
Huh?
I definitely will, Your Honor.
Well, you want me to give you some time to get a license, Mr. Morris? You got 1 ticket.
No, I would like to resolve it as soon as possible, so I'll pay it today.
There you go. They'll take your money. Raise your right hand, Mr. Morris.
Yes.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Wilkerson went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room. Did you understand those? Or did she not?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
You understood them?
Yes.
You have any questions about them?
No, Your Honor.
You know you'll be giving these rights up when you take this deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Yeah. Let me say this, Mr. Morris. That response I hear a lot from a lot younger people. I just want to hurry up and get this over with. Yeah, go ahead.
I was just saying I wanted to resolve it. That's all. Not necessarily hurry up, but I was trying to
give you an opportunity to resolve it by bringing a valid driver's license in, but you just said I want to resolve it. I want to pay today.
Before I can do that, I have to resolve this before I can get another driver's license.
No, you don't.
Oh, I don't? Well, that's what I was told.
That's what you thought. That's what you thought.
No, they told me that Secretary of State. I'm the Secretary of State, and they say you have to resolve these matters before you can get your license again.
And this matter, because it was in bench warrant status, is probably why they told you that. After today, it's not in bench warrant status anymore, and it won't be in bench warrant status as long as you show back up to court.
Well, if you give me 2 weeks to get my license, I'll have them. I'll get them.
All right, I'm going to give you more than 2 weeks. That's what I'm going to give you until October the 11th. Okay, come back on October the 11th, and hopefully you have a valid license right now. The warrants are recalled, not guilty plea is entered, and a $0 bond is given. All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
October the 11th. October the 11th. Is this address still good for you on Warren?
Yes, sir.
All right. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you getting that license. All right.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day. Bye-bye.
You have a better one. Thank you. How are you doing today, Ms. Wilkerson?
I'm doing great, Your Honor. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
They need to put me in this courtroom all the time. You get it done.
Yeah, we try. You just saying that today, we got an early day. I want to see you on one of those 1:30, 2 o'clock days.
Oh, Lord.
Yesterday. Oh, yeah. You knew that was good.
Hope not.
Why?
This probably could have been.
You would too. You try.
Because I'm
not to
sure.
stay from it.
Right.
Is the city available?
It should be. Mr. Bowman is here and Ms. Mason. You got two very well seasoned lawyers.
So, Your Honor, I was trying to look on the computer because my client's asking me the date of these violations, and I don't know if it's just me, but I can't seem to find these.
They're old.
I can't seem to find it on the, so I don't.
So the one improper license dates back to 2016, October 14th, 2016 for the improper license, the improper plates, and the no insurance misdemeanor. The other one, that corporate, that dates back to 2019, June 17th, 2019. And then one officer didn't recollect, so his is gone. So 2016, October seems to be a month that she gets pulled over both times. No, June was the corporate. So October 2016 and then June of 2019.
So can the city meet me in a breakout room, please?
I'm sure they can. You can let Sergeant Carson know Billy Little is gone. You getting it all together over there, Miss Mathis?
Yeah, I'm making a lot of noise. But I'm trying to. I'm buried the No, that's left.
I wonder where Barry is.
Yeah, okay.
Barry doesn't get questions too much, so.
Busy to laugh the other day.
He was here yesterday. He wasn't here. He's not here today.
It was the day before, maybe.
Okay.
Because I remember you saying. Like,
Oh, yeah. Somewhere almost over.
This is.
Oh, down.
It's cold, that's what I don't like. I have to start wearing it, please.
Oh, it's cold in the house now. It's like, oh. You getting up pretty good into the summer?
No, that's gonna be like.
Every 5 years.
Yeah, that's.
I was just checking. It's a nice part.
Thank you so much.
Just trying to know, so I can know, tell the family, get their gift there. Come on.
Okay. All these tickets don't come.
I don't think they forgot.
Like, I would be all somewhere like shaking in the car.
Put them out of their minds.
You look like looking behind me. Police got 20 tickets.
And waiting on me to roll. It was shards of big metal pieces. I was so mad.
You hit one?
Yeah.
You flat your tire?
Yes. On 94. I looked at my the tire gauge went from 26
Yes,
17 to 11. I was like, oh shit.
That's the only thing that I, as far as when they sell you that insurance for those products, that's the only really thing I buy insurance for.
Tires.
One time I didn't do that. I had a brand new set of tires, and I said, because I usually deny all those insurances and stuff. Sure enough, I got a no fault on my tires. I got a blowout.
So which insurance for the top gun?
Like discount tire. When you buy tires, they sell you that. So just like and even when you get a brand new car, I take the discount tire, and they'll insure the tires, even though they're brand new, so they'll insure the tires and pay the certificate.
I have to work up with tires. I can't stand it because he's replacing tires.
Always. It works out.
But it was like it was so many cars. Like after I pulled, or I hurried up and got off the shoulder. It was right just after Southfield. I was like, get over it. And as I seen it decline, go down fast. And that was, but then I looked behind me, another car pulled over, another one pulled in front of me. I said, what the heck?
Well, they took somebody who lost a load or something. So part of the load, I guess.
Funny, this AAA was already he pulled through in 5 minutes and they were already, I think it had happened way before to some other people, way before I had,
They're flying out there too.
That is the scariest. I'm glad that it was my passenger back tire instead of my driver's side. The cars was whizzing by. Well, it's like, don't try to.
And they do a good job, like in Canada. I want I was driving through there last week. I'm going back. But they do a good job of pulling over to the other lane. Here in America, they don't care. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Long. Last but not least, Ms. Long, Ms. Shiroki, what's going to happen?
Your Honor, the matter SP 7907411 being amended to fail to display due to the age, I'm going to ask the court to accept a no contest plea. And then a second ticket's being amended to improper plate. I'm not exactly sure what count the people want to move on. They want to move on Officer Kropik's ticket for that? Attorney Bowman, do you want Officer Kropik's ticket for that one?
Yes.
So, Your Honor, that would be SP 9876701, and all other matters are being dismissed per the plea agreement.
All right. Is that the $240 fines? You understand that, Ms. Long?
Yes, you said there's two of them both at $240.
At $240, then you're gonna have $45 reinstatement fees to pay too.
Okay.
I'm only concerned about the $240s.
So that's $480. And you said I got
Yes.
5 reinstatement fees to pay?
$45, yes. I'm waiving the warrant fees. And then you owe another $270, then you owe another $276 on an old expired plate ticket.
Wait, what year is that?
That's in 2019.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, you don't have to pay that to get your license back, though. You can pay it after you get your license, I believe.
All right, okay.
I got 981. Don't necessarily trust my math, but I have 981. It'll be the
so you doing it? Are you doing the 480 plus 276?
I'm doing the 480 plus 276 plus 480 plus 276 plus 225.
And the 225 is from where again?
4 reinstatement, the 5 reinstatement fees that you'll owe.
5 reinstatement fees. I'm writing this down, and they're at $45 a piece.
$45 a piece. I imagine this thinking out loud that the conversation in the breakout room with the attorneys was the defense saying, hey, well, we should dismiss these at the age of the case as there's some sort of memorandum of understanding. The prosecution says, well, either there was no memorandum of understanding or it's just not quite 8 years yet. I don't know, what was that conversation?
The conversation was very generous, I'm gonna say, Your Honor.
Say that again.
I'm gonna say it wasn't very generous.
All right. Well, that's the deal, ma'am. I can give you time to pay.
Your Honor, it sounds like the one ticket that she owes, that almost $300 was issued at the same time as these other matters. As the 19 tickets, I'm going to ask the court to only fine her on one of these tickets that she pleads on today. Because she did pay, I mean, she does say it's still infraction to pay.
We'll get to that. That's a simple sentencing matter. You want to take the deal, Ms. Long?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Yeah. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, ma'am? Misdemeanors?
I'm understanding now what you're telling me.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up, right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
The failure to display is going to be for corporate ticket in 2019. Is that what I understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Draw your attention back to June the 17th, 2019, at around 12:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Clarita and Winthrop. Did you have an occasion on that day, Ms. Long, to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No recollection of the incident.
Your Honor, I was going to ask for no contact agent tickets. My client indicates
you don't dispute if they say that you were driving while license suspended on that day. You would have no reason to dispute that, would you, Ms. Long?
No, I won't think they'd lie.
You just don't recall it.
No.
Clarita and Winthrop. And
Winthrop. That's over here, right? Clarita Street. And that's off of 7 Mile? Okay, yeah. I was living in that area, so yeah.
And then they said you were driving a 2001 Dodge.
Durango, black.
I don't know if it was a Durango or not. I just see 2001 Dodge, black in color.
Yep, that's the vehicle I had.
So let me say this. Okay. Expired plate. Ms. Long paid an expired plate this year at $228 that related to this ticket. She also paid a no proof of insurance of $288 that remain to this ticket. Any objection to dismissing for paying a related civil infraction on the corporate's tickets? The one we're there about now.
I have no objection, Your Honor. Victor Bowman.
All right. So there you go. That's a little bit of relief. You pay at the maximum amount of the 2 related civil infractions for that. We'll dismiss that. And then the other offer will be, what's going on with your license, ma'am?
Truthfully, David suspended. I never had any.
Oh. All right, so I'm gonna say that if you can't remember something from 2019, then I think it's kind of fair to say that you may not remember what went on in 2016. Or we could try. Let me draw your attention back to October the 14th, 2016 at 1 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Wyoming. Did you own a 2004 Pontiac red in color around that date and time now?
2004 Pontiac. 2016. No, not in 2016.
That's quite some time ago.
You said red. I had a no, not in 16.
Did you own a 2004 Pontiac ever?
Was it a Grand Am?
I don't know. It doesn't say
That
what
was
type.
back.
It says a red Pontiac 2004.
I remember I owned one, but that was back in 2010 or 11 because I remember it got stolen before. I was paying a note on it.
Well, let me say this, Miss Long. What did you tell me? You never had a driver's license, or it's been years?
I never.
Never, but you buying cars up all day, aren't you?
Yes, sir. I'm guilty of that. Yes.
I don't know how you.
But I want to know about this ticket. I want to make sure nobody's using my name for this October the 14th one.
Well, this is long gone now. So all I can tell you is that on October 14th at 1 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Wyoming, that they gave you a ticket, is alleged that they gave you a ticket for improper, for license not valid, which you admit to never having a license, improper plates, and no insurance. And that's all that I see.
And that was a Pontiac. Oh,
Pontiac 2004, red in color. Plate number BBV 427.
Wait a minute, you said BBB? Because I'm writing this down.
BBV 427.
BB.
I know sometimes people all remember their plate number because they play that in the lottery all the time. I don't know if you play the lottery or not, but so as for we'll say this: you want to take the no contest plea?
What do that mean?
That means that you don't have a recollection of the event, and we'll put it in as a no contest plea. A no contest plea, as far as the court is concerned, is going to be treated as a guilty plea. So we'll get the fines and the same fines that you'll have. It's just that you're not making any admission because you don't have recollection of the event.
I think that's what me and my lawyer agreed on. Is that the same for me paying these 2 tickets? Remember, you said I got the 2 tickets for $240 and the other one for $276.
Already the 240 is gone now because you've paid those related civil infractions for those. So the city is offering you that relief because they see you've already paid money toward those 2 other tickets you got with that. So now we're down to 240. Another 276, and then the 225 in reinstatement fees.
Right, okay. Yes, I'm paying that.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea. First of all, is there any objection for there to be taken a no contest plea for lack of recollection, Mr. Bowman?
No, Your Honor.
So no objection to that. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that no contest plea on your client's behalf, and using the face of the ticket as a representation of the city's allegations.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, find your client. I'll enter no contest plea. I'm going to fine you $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. And I'm gonna do one more thing for you, Miss. What about your works? Are you working, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to have everything.
I'm gonna try to offer you a little bit more relief. I'm gonna waive the late fees on the expired plate. I don't know what that'll get that 276 down to, but it's gonna knock it down a little bit more. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, so, review. When can you pay this stuff, ma'am?
Try to have all of it paid by November 1st.
No, I'm gonna give you you say you're working, I'm only gonna give you to October 22nd.
October 22nd.
And then I'll mark your file allow payment plan as well. Why don't you go get a license now?
I am, Judge. Thank
right.
you.
Come back October 22nd, Ms. Long. And if you either do one of two things, pay it off, you pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse before that date and enter into a payment plan. If you enter into a payment plan, I'll see it here in the system. And you can pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse to pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it this long. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave from this long.
I do.
What is your question?
I prefer to, well, I can't pay both ways, but can I also apply for my license today, sir?
I'm sure you could have applied for your license, it seems like a long time ago, unless you had tickets in other jurisdictions. It didn't, I don't think that any of these tickets affected your license.
Okay. And I come back to court October the 22nd?
October 22nd. I see you writing all this stuff down.
Yes.
Taking copious notes.
Yep. Thank you so much for your time.
And I thank you so much, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. And
you too.
Best of luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. That will conclude